Hi! In front of me is TCL 403 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation. Begin by going into the app menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that auto rotation is on. But you can always switch it off by tapping on the same tile again. If you wish to, you can go into Devices Settings, scroll down just a bit and tap on Display. Then scroll all the way down and tap on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!